So finally, after 4 long years, Sony has finally provided us with a much anticipated firmware update for the Sony A7S III. Version 3.0 is a game changer, and here's what you can expect for this latest update. So the first key update is the updated menu setting that is now similar to the Sony A7R5 and FX3. Enhanced touchscreen functionality, so the My Menu settings are now registration by touch. Focused breathing compensation, DCI 4K and 24p recording. This does require an upgraded license via a creator's app. I'll show you how to do this at the end of this video. So timecode support via multi-micro USB terminal. Focused frame display. So relay playback function, which enables seamless sequential playback from one memory card slot to another. So playback filter condition, this lets you categorize image playback via date, folder, or file format. Monitor and control app support. This app allows you to connect wirelessly to a camera and enables video monitoring and remote control via smartphone or tablet. Creators app support replaces the old finicky imaging Edge mobile app and it allows more seamless transfer of images from your camera to your smartphone. Anti-dust shutter when powered off. Maximum number of images to be recorded in one folder has been increased to 9,999. Support for custom grid lines as a paid license. Overall, the features such as breathing compensation, DCI 4K, timecode support, and monitor and control app are the key features that I'll be using for my video work, especially paired up with my FX3. Although these are much needed updates for this camera, I do wish they still provided us more features such as log shooting mode, custom LUT viewing, and shutter angle. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get these features on my A7S III? I'll walk you through these quick steps to update your camera. So the first thing is make sure your camera battery is fully charged, and then head over to Sony's official website and download version 3.0 firmware update for the Sony A7S III. Connect your camera to your computer with the USB cable provided, launch the Sony camera firmware updater, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Remember, during the update process, don't turn off the camera or disconnect the USB cable. Interrupting the update process can cause the camera to become inoperable. Okay, once you've completed that firmware update, you will need to connect your camera to the Creators app. First, pair your camera and go into the camera icon on the bottom of the page, and then select camera settings, and then check available function, license management, install license. Then you should be able to see DCI 4K 24p upgrade license. Select obtain license and register your serial number for your camera. So after that, you should be able to install the license. So that's basically it. You should be able to have the Sony A7S III DCI 4K features, as well as the new updates that you have for the version 3.0. And if you find any value in this video, give me a like, subscribe, and now we'll see you in the next one.